once you get a certain height, you like your cutover.
This is so important because if people don't know how to do this and then your car rolls off the jack and
Correct.
takes your foot off.
That happened to me the first time I changed my tire. I was on like a little bit of an incline, and I didn't put this
So
on.
I need
purpose.
everybody to see how
it
this
started.
slot. Sorry, you're gonna get dirty. You're not giving me.
Name of the game.
See how that slot falls right onto this? And just turn until it gets tight. Once it gets tight, you can start seeing that the car is technically going up.
Yeah.
Then we'll get to the next step. Once it's there, and you feel like the pressure, like you should turn it a little bit. Like your car is heavy, but again, what she said, physics, as you're turning, it go up a little bit. Now, when you got a bit more weight on it, you have to use the tools. But just to see, okay, yeah, I saw it go up a little bit, I'm good. You would take the hook of this, slide it in here. Take this, it's a little square. Some are triangles, some are squares, but whatever. And put it just like so, right? And spin it.
Nice.
And that's raising the car. Until you're just a little bit off the ground. You don't have to be the highest because these things aren't the strongest. But
Just enough to relieve the pressure.
get the tire.
So you
Yeah.
sit in the air.